Hello there guys, it's Aaron back with the updated version of our Windows VPS hosting for 2024. Now, you may be saying it's the middle of the year. Is that a little bit late? Possibly so. However, we only just got down to the data center and got the changes made. So what we've done is, first of all, we've switched out all of the SAS drives that we were using previously. We were using SAS SSD drives. Brilliant, realistically, enterprise grade. However, they lacked a lot of the oomph, and based on the feedback you guys were giving us, you wanted something faster. So all they're all Lenovo X3550M5 systems, but they've all been switched out to use NVMe drives, 4.0 NVMe RAID 1 via PCIe adapter, I may add. However, it's massively faster. So you're really gonna, people who've been moved over and upgraded already, you will really be seeing the difference already. But in terms of what we've changed outside of that, that is it. So you're still going to get yourselves 2 vCores on an E5-2699V3 CPU, so they're dual socket systems. You get 72 threads per system. Essentially, there's a hell of a lot of compute for the value, right? The whole point is this is a powerful value offering. So in the UK, we are now exclusively using Cosmic Guard, and in Germany, you have a choice between the lovely Cosmic Guard and Path.net. Obviously, it just comes down to your own preference. However, in the case of these, they are both very powerful Anycast-based DDoS protection solutions, and our Poly in-house has lovely built out a firewall manager for this, so you can apply application filters to the edge of the network. You want to apply game filters or anything like that, and any questions about filtering, just ask. We can always help. We like to make sure clients are set up properly. But yeah, so you're going to get yourself 2 GB of DDR4 RAM and 2 TB of transfer per month on a 1 GB per second port, and of course 20 GB SSD and NVMe storage. I do apologise, I have a cold currently. But that is what's changed with regards to our Windows VPS hosting. I will give you a quick demo of our panel now. And this is the powerful VirtFusion control panel. It's one of the most intuitive and ergonomic panels that exists for VPS hosting. Not only from a host perspective is it incredibly easy to manage, but from a user perspective, it's easy to use, which I'll give you a quick tour now, but it's brilliant. So in case you can mount virtual media, say if you wanted to install, say, a version of Windows, hypothetically, that we don't have on our install templates, we could mount that ISO for you manually, so you could install it. There's no guarantee that will always work. Some operating systems really don't respond too well to it, but ultimately, we've got pretty much anything you'd ever want. We have click anyway, but the option's always there. In the options section here, you have your VNC tool, which is like a KVM tool, so you can KVM in to it. This VM isn't booted, so obviously there's nothing there. You have your network tab, where you can change your DNS stuff, and that sort of stuff. We have our storage setting there, that you are hypothetically to have extra storage added. We can add extra volumes and stuff, but again, that's all after storage stuff. We have our backups, so in here you can schedule backups, so it's going automatically every day. We suggest doing this overnight, just for one, so it's not causing interruptions, but also from a host perspective, it's much better on our network to have it done overnight. You can create backups and restore backups, of course. You can add other people access as well. Now I will go over the available templates with you as well. You can lock a VM here as well if you don't want it to be reinstalled, but if you click rebuild here, click continue, while you can install all manner of Linux VMs on this as well. These are the Windows operating systems that we support for one-click install. Now you can install Server 2022, Data Center, and Standard Editions. All of these are desktop environments alongside 2019 for all of you ARC players out there. But yes, any questions, let us know. I hope you guys appreciate the revamped line. You're obviously going to get an IPv4 with this. It's a dedicated IPv4. And it's just a real value offering, and it's brought a lot of people to our business, and we appreciate you all very much. And if there's any feedback or just ideas in general that you want, for new services or ways we can improve, just let us know. But we hope you enjoy the offer, and have a brilliant day, guys.